The 2026 Subaru Impreza continues to be a standout in the compact hatchback segment, offering a unique combination of all-wheel drive capability, practicality, and advanced technology. What's new for 2026? For the 2026 model year, Subaru has streamlined the Impreza lineup by eliminating the base model. The remaining trims are the Sport and RS, both of which come equipped with standard all-wheel drive. Additionally, the RS trim now features a revised 2.5-liter Boxer engine, delivering improved torque response. New for 2026, all models are equipped with auto vehicle shutdown, which turns off the engine after 30 minutes of idling to reduce fuel consumption and prevent the engine from being left on accidentally. The 2026 Impreza Sport is powered by a 2.0-liter flat-4 engine producing 152 horsepower. The RS trim steps up with a 2.5-liter flat-4 engine, now delivering 180 horsepower. Both trims are paired with a continuously variable transmission, featuring an 8-speed manual mode with steering wheel paddle shifters, providing a responsive and engaging driving experience. Inside, the Impreza offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with seating for 5. The Sport trim comes equipped with an 11.6-inch touchscreen, while the RS trim adds premium features such as an all-weather package and blind spot detection with rear cross-traffic alert. Both trims include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. Standard on all 2026 Impreza models is Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The RS trim adds emergency lane keep assist, enhancing safety during highway driving. New for 2026, all models feature standard rear seat side airbags for added protection. The price of the 2026 Subaru Impreza starts at $27,790 and goes up to $30,690, depending on the trim and options. If you're seeking a compact hatchback that offers all-wheel drive capability, a comfortable interior, and advanced safety features, the 2026 Subaru Impreza is a compelling choice. The streamlined trim lineup and enhanced performance make it a practical and reliable option for daily driving. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit the bell so you're always in the front seat. See you in the next ride.